Welcome to the Roblox voice chat tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to increase your voice chat volume to hear your friends better. First, launch Roblox and enter any game that supports voice chat. Look for the microphone icon. Once you're in, press the escape key to open the menu. Navigate to Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Audio tab. This is where you can adjust your voice chat volume. Slide the voice chat volume up for a boost. Make sure to test it out with your friends. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy clearer conversations while playing Roblox. If the volume is still too low, check your device's audio settings as well. Sometimes, the issue lies there. Remember, great communication enhances gameplay. Good luck and have fun in your adventures. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Share your favorite Roblox moments in the comments below. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Explore the fun with your friends and enjoy Roblox to the fullest.